Well, sadly, if you were looking forward to seeing that guy right there racing in the Paris Supercross like he said he was going to this weekend, it's not going to happen. Obviously, coming back from a collarbone injury he injured early in the year, you had this one or that crash right there at the Los Angeles Supermotocross final round, and there was another collarbone broke and I think a couple ribs if I remember right. Um, so from one injury right to another injury, finally getting back on the bike now and getting healed up. Apparently, it's just not going to be enough time to race competitively. And there is, if you continue watching this video, there is going to be what he posted on his Instagram explaining the whole situation. But it sucks. I personally like Justin Barcia. I think he's good for the sport. He's fast. He's competitive. He's a little bit gritty or a little bit hard, I guess, if you want to go that way. There are some tough takeouts, and I'll fully admit that some of them aren't needed. But you got to have some sort of spice in the sport, or else it's just you know doing laps on dirt. But if you want to listen to the whole or his what he posted on Instagram, it is going to be right here.
What's up, everyone? Hope all is well. Paris Supercross is coming up next weekend. Wanted to give a quick update on that. I have 3 days on the Supercross track. Feeling good, but definitely nowhere near where I need to be to race. So with that being said, unfortunately, I'm going to miss Paris Supercross this year. I've been working with everyone on the event for a week now, trying to figure out what the best way to go about this is, and this is what I think the best way is telling everybody what's going on. Just not fit enough to compete at the top level of sport right now, so definitely need some more time to get ready, train, get my strength back. And with that being said, super bummed, but I think all of my fans will understand that I can't give my all at the race yet, so I don't want to show up and underperform. It's just not the right thing to do for the fans and the promoters. So I'm just going to keep training, riding, getting fitter, getting stronger, and look forward to seeing everyone at Anaheim.
And while it sucks he's not doing a Paris Supercross, to me it's good. Take the time, get fully healed up, get ready for 2024 Supercross, Super Motocross, whatever you want to call it, and be competitive. There's no point in rushing to race a one-off event and hurting yourself again or pushing back your progress. So I hope he takes the time. I hope he gets fully healed, and we'll see what happens in A1. But in the comments below, you tell me, where do you think he finishes in A1? How well do you think he does for the season total? Who do you think is going to win? If you don't think it's going to be him, whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.